Hello everybody, and welcome to Guy Wattle with I just explained to Marco, actually sitting here in and out with me in the FCC, that this is one of our well-known characters here at, on WildEarth at Juma. Very well-known elephant that's also been seen a lot at Nkorokam, kind of to the southeast from here. But anyway, this beautiful elephant called Wonky. You can see this one, well, not at the moment, his one left, or his right tusk is pointing downwards, kind of down backwards, and also his hind left leg, or hind right leg, is just also a little bit wonky, if I can say it that. But very old elephant. We've known him for, I've known him for almost a year now, and also there's a lot of other people that's from all over that's gotten to know this beautiful elephant. Hello everybody. This drive is only getting better and better and better. Just some little bit of interaction between the elephant and the buffalo, and looks like another character that we've gotten to know and love. Mr. Judge has come down.